Today's adventure, our yearly drive through Vermont. Happy Wednesday, everyone, and welcome to Adventure Wednesday. Right now, Amanda, Finnegan, and myself are driving through the state of Vermont. We happen to arrive at our first destination of the day, which is this covered bridge right here. Now, I've taken you guys here before on Adventure Wednesday. If you want to check out those episodes, I will link them down below in the description. Anyways, let's get out of the truck and have a look around. Alright, back in the truck from our first stop of the day. Let's continue this adventure. A short 20-minute drive later, we've arrived at the Townshend Dam. Now, unfortunately, I can't bring the drone up here, but we're still going to have a look around. Alright guys, back in the truck, we have one more stop planned for today's adventure. However, the rest of it is going to be random, so let's get headed out and I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. Alright, so about 45 minutes of driving later, we've arrived on the Route 100 Scenic Byway. I don't think I've ever gone down this before. Anyways, let's travel down this a bit and see where it takes us. Alright, so heading to our final destination of the day, I saw this spot on the side of the road and I decided this is a perfect spot to bring the drone up. Here we go. Alright, back in the truck, and now we're off to our final spot of today's adventure. here we are at today's final point of the adventure, Hogback Mountain. Let's get out of the truck and have a look around. Alright everyone, back in the truck. Finnegan is with me. Amanda went inside the shop. We can't bring the dog inside, but that is going to do it for today's episode. One thing that I happened to find when we were up here is this little tiny SD card right here. So it looks pretty banged up. I'm not too sure if there's anything on it. If there is, I will include it at the end of the episode. So right now, since it is kind of windy up here, I'm going to see if I can find one more spot to bring the drone up. If I can, the following footage will be just that. If not, I will see you guys tonight for Beyond the Adventure. Peace.